Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access device's settings. After that, scroll down just a bit and click on Bluetooth section. Now you need to click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. After that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait again, this time for the pop-up to show. When it does, select pair in order to continue. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this icon next to the device and click on disconnect. If you wish to forget it completely, you need to click on the same one, but this time select forget this device and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, you need to reset your Bluetooth, then click on it again and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!